Okay, this is how you replace the PCV valve on a Kia Soul. The difference between the 1.6 and the 2.0, because you'll find it's really hard to figure out which is which, because it's not listed anywhere under the hood what engine it has. If you have a hole in the engine cover, like this one does, with a dipstick in the middle of the motor, that's 2.0. If it was a 1.6, it would have a dipstick down here in the front. So that's how you tell. Alright, it's pretty easy to remove the cover. I've already popped it loose, but it just has these little pins that hold it on. You just yank on it and pull it up and it comes loose. Okay, so with the cover off, you can see down here, this is the PCV valve. Now I've already undone the clamp and moved it back. So all you have to do at this point is pull the hose off, which is pretty simple. Use a 13/16 socket, and the PCV valve comes right out. Well, not quite so simply so far here. I would suggest that you take the PCV valve with you over to the store to get another one, because there's two different types on these Souls. This is the 2.0 one. So it's pretty easy. Just clean out the area where it was. Clean out the tube. You could actually take the tube off. There's another clamp down here. You could take the tube off and clean it out with brake clean and put it back together. This is a service that is recommended every 30,000 miles. And the reason for that, well, not the reason for it, but these things are known to... This car lost 3 quarts of oil in 4,000 miles because of the PCV system, the valve being bad. So, anyhow, I hope that helps you. Replace them every 30,000 miles, so you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to my account, and we'll give you more. Thanks.